Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to update the Instagram app on your Android device effortlessly. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. So let's get started. First, grab your Android device and locate the Google Play Store app. Go ahead and tap on it to open. If you've been using your phone for a while, you're probably familiar with this essential hub for all your app needs. Once you're in the Play Store, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Give that a tap. A menu will appear with several options, and you want to find and select Manage Apps and Device. This will take you to a section that provides an overview of your apps. Now, let's move on to the next step. You'll find a section titled Updates Available. Click on that, and this is where the magic happens. Here, you can check if Instagram is listed among the apps that have updates waiting for you. If Instagram is in that list, great. You're almost there. All you need to do now is tap the Update button right next to Instagram. This will start the update process, and before you know it, you'll have the latest version of Instagram right on your device. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Instagram app. Staying updated will enhance your Instagram experience and ensure you don't miss any new features. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.